Alright, for this week's FIAD lesson, when you get to this slide, this splash page, you could go to the Meet Mr. Catterson slide here, and that should be updated. I've got some new information there for you to be able to learn a little bit more about me. You can go down here all the way through and get all the way to the last slide. I've got some pictures of my wife and I through the years. So you can go to that again. And once you check that out a little bit, then you can come back here to the splash page and click on this link that says the second slide. We're talking about the digestive system this week. That is our theme. So if you click on the second slide link, that should take you to the second slide here, and you should have some videos that you can look at. Just choose one video to be able to watch and learn about our digestive system and how that works for us. And after you've watched one of those videos, then you can click on this digestive system feedback form link, the red link here, and then you can answer a couple of questions for me that helps me see what you learned about our digestive system. Okay. Then once you're done with that, then you can go back to the splash page here and click on the third slide, because every time we have FIAD, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, go to the third slide, and that has our different activities, different workouts on it. Okay, and you click on that one, and that'll go to this third slide where you can choose video workouts, or you can choose non-video workouts. We have different links here. So you can choose on this link for the Virtual Education Hub, or you can choose on the February digital calendar, where we have an Ice Age chase video, a shark chase video, or a superhero fitness video. So just have to try to pick one activity, either a video or a non-video activity. We have over here in the non-video activity, we have some exercise cards where you can create your own workouts. So you can do that if you'd like. And then there's also a link here for 15 ways to be able to stay active indoors. So you can choose that as well. A lot of different options for you. Just figure out one that you want to do that'll allow you to keep moving and allow you to get strong. And then to finish up class for this entire week of entire month of February, we are in Black History Month. So we have here on the last slide, we have some information about some prominent black athletes. And you can click on these different videos to be able to learn about these black athletes. There's also a link here that's talking about the 50 greatest black athletes of all time. And it's just there for you to be able to learn a little bit more about the black history as far as athletics goes. You can also try to do some research on your own throughout the entire month of February here. And you can share via email or Seesaw the names of some of your favorite black athletes after you've done some research, or names of some new ones that maybe I didn't have included in this list. So that is the workout for this week. That is the lesson for this week. As always, work hard. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy to help. Take care.